Yo, what is going on? What is going on? Y'all already know this is Trade Digital 89, my YouTube channel. We talk about everything technology. We talk about everything that you need to know about technology. We talk about coding, we talk about different programmings. We give tips how to read stuff and how to read candlesticks. We give advice here. But everything is technology. Technology is pretty much everything now anyway. We got to the point that we need technology. We got to the point that we can't go a day without technology. Like it's technology is literally is everything right now. So this channel is very, very helpful for the people that, that's sorry about that. The people that is new to this channel. I do a lot of coding exercise in Python and JavaScript. I also talk about blockchain technology, cryptocurrency. I also do a few analysis, stock analysis, how to read candlestick charts. That's the main thing as well. And we talk about things that we may be concerned with technology. So I love technology. I love everything about it. I feel like um, technology play a huge role in making everything easier for us. But it could be dangerous. It could be dangerous to the point that we are only reliant on technology. We gotta use things in moderations. We can't be solely addicted to something that could be able to take over um everything. Look like we won't have nothing to do. We won't be sovereign. We won't know how to do anything because we fully rely on technology. So anybody that's new to the channel, this is a channel. So today, we got an interesting episode. It's not going to be too long. It's not going to be too long. I just felt like I wanted to discuss this. And I know I'm late, and I'm always on the heavy technology, but I used something called ChatGPT today. I used it. I've been hearing a lot of people talk about it. This open AI um, chat that you can be able to type what you're looking for, and it gather all these informations, and it forms some algorithm, and it spits out exactly what you're looking for. So for the programmers out there, it's something called Stack Overflow. And when you stuck at a certain project, you're like, oh my gosh, what does this code mean? What this error mean? because you because in the programming space, we always get like these errors. Like it's like it's super duper annoying. We're like, why I keep getting this error? And sometimes Stack Overflow don't really. It's helpful, but some things you just want. You want the exact thing because it just get frustrating. With ChatGPT, it gives you everything in details. And it's not even just with programmers, with everything. You can build your resume. Like if um, you trying to um, apply for a certain job and certain requirements, you can go to ChatGPT and it can even help you and direct you what type of resume you need for that particular job. Like this is better than like anything. You could get so many answers. It's to the point that there's certain institutions and certain schools that's not allowing Chat GPT. I got to see if I can find that. But there's certain schools that's like that kids cannot use Chat GPT because it gives you all the answers. So let me see if I could find that. Because it was a certain school. Let me see. Chat Chat GPT. Um, not allowed. Oh, they don't allow it in China in school. Let me see. Hold up. it was a story. Here we go. Was it New York Times? Let me see. All right, we can read this. It's an article in Forbes. Let me share my screen. Article in Forbes. The entire one doesn't matter. Um, okay, let's just do this. All right, so get this out of here. All right, so this is an article in Forbes. It's saying Chat GPT in schools. Here's where it's banned. School districts are banning artificial intelligence chatbot Chat GPT due to cheating concerns. But some experts believe schools should instead try using the software to their advantage. A representative for Seattle Public School, the district banned ChatGPT from all school devices. City in the district does not allow cheating and requires original thought and work from students. Now, this is one. This is like right here is concerning right here. So, it's making it is making us. Let me just what's the name? It is making us n- it's making us lazy, like lazy thinkers. It's making us lazy thinkers. We already be so reliant on, Google and looking for something instead of just figuring out yourself. And that's one of the dangerous things about this particular technology, this chat bot, um, GPT, because it's the fact that it does everything efficiently, it does everything in details to the point that you can be a lazy thinker. And and I just want to highlight what it said. It said the school district, city district does not allow cheating and requires original thought and work from students, because you want to be able to figure things out. You want to be able to like really, really like, okay, I'm stuck at this particular problem, or I'm stuck at this particular situation, but let me think, let me just do everything I could to figure it out. And you do feel good about it because you're like, dang, it took me so long, but it's satisfying because I was able to figure it out. Now we get to the point that, we have all these artificial intelligence doing completely everything for us. And I think China banned this. China don't play. China's like, we trying to build very, very intelligent citizens in China. We not allowing this. We want to be the ones as the architecture of all of this. But I can see Americans is, we just taking full advantage of it. And in one of them it did say that the teachers can use it for their advantage, and they could, because like I said, life is all about adjustments. Is you can use whatever as your advantage. But again, this is extremely dangerous because the problem is the students is not they're gonna have a hard time trying to learn something if they got the answers. And it's like what is school there for if people just can go online? Because like I said, I'm 33 years old. So when I was in school, we didn't have all these, we couldn't like go to the, and you had Wikipedia, but you know it wasn't a lot. It was a lot of things that you can look at in the internet to get the answers. So it was that, you had to figure it out, or you have to go to the library. You had to, like, I actually had to go places to be able to get the answer, or I had to, um, you know, sit next to my smart friend, or or do that. Like, but now you don't even have to do that. The internet has everything, and everybody have a mobile device, and the mobile device is going to help them get any answer they want. So that's the main issue of all of this. Like, it gets to the point that we become lazy thinkers. And also another thing, Another thing that could be very dangerous is the fact that, again, it's going to destroy the job market. We are already going through so many changes when it comes to industry. So many disruptive technology out there that is destroying jobs. You see the fast food industry. It's mostly the robots is controlling, like, you don't need nobody on the register anymore because they have these kiosks that you can just go and then you can just type what you want once you want to eat. So there's no cashier to be able to check you out. So that job is done. And also, it's going to be less and less workers now because they actually have machines that's making a burger. So like in these McDonald's and stuff like that, I actually saw it. So it's the food industry is gonna change that. Um, it's already certain jobs like the airport. They got these machines that's even put in the bags on the aircrafts. It's just so many different layers that artificial intelligence is being able to take over, and it's a scary thing. And now this is going to destroy programmers. Hate to say it for us programmers, it's going to destroy programmers because it's doing learn or machine learning, and you want to get the code. You can type it in and it'll give you the code. I'm gonna show you right here. Let me show you. Let me. It's chaos. Let me show you right here. All right, so this is Chat GPT, right? Let me hide that. So if I want to type in, can can I get the Python code for pandas data frame? You put enter. Oh, this been giving me problems. Hold up. If it don't respond, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna click back in there. Yeah, it's been giving me issues. All right, so let me just do this. I'm about to go back in there. Chat GPT. All right, about to go back in there. Why just it gives you the answers? Like, it's crazy. It's like it's to the point that you don't really need a programmer. You got this. This can give you like the code and everything. I just want to go to the chat. Why it's not letting me go to the chat? Hold up. Why it's not letting me go to the chat? Hold up. Hold up. Chat GPT. Oh, man, I'm on the phone. All right, we about to go to. It just gives you the answers. Let me see. Is I'm locked in? Um, Chat GPT. Why is not letting me? Okay. This is the page right here. Trying to find out why it's not letting me open. I should have been more prepared for this. Let me see. Maybe we'll go to history. Um, it's trying to find this. I'm supposed to be the technologist. I should be able to find it already. Be patient. Chat Let me log in. All right, this is it. Because I'm like, what is taking so long? All right, this is it right here. I'm a little tired. Sorry for that. Um, Let me log in. Oh, I gotta do this again. Yeah, I'm logged in. Uh, you try sciences. Try again. Method. Huh? Why it's not letting me? Why it's not letting me sign in? Let me see. Hold up. Why it's not letting me sign in now? Let me just sign into. I just want to show how easy it is to get like anything from there. Like it's crazy. It's like it gives you like the code and everything you need. If you want to learn how to create an app, it's going to tell you that. Like it's this one is nuts. Um, Hold up. I can't see my number. I don't want nobody calling me. Calling me, calling me. Hold up. I don't know why I got to do this again because I had it before. I don't understand. All right. Dang it. God dang it. All right. 8. Okay. Let me see. Chatbot. All right, so we in. All right, so I can share now. Took long enough. All right. So this is the page right here. So you'll see this page and just give you certain examples of things. Like it gives you examples of what you want, like what type of questions you want to ask, explain quantum computer in simple terms. This is a very detail oriented. So let me see. Can what is the Python code for pandas data frame? Look at that. It gives you the exact code. Simple. You see how simple that is? So it's like you don't even need to learn how to. You don't even really need to learn like from a teacher. It's gonna be like you don't even need a teacher to teach you this. You can just go in here and it gives you the exact way how to do pandas data frame. You see right here, you see create the data, variable data, the DF, it turns into the data. You put it inside a data frame so you can see the rows and columns. It's crazy. Crazy. Show me another example. Give me another example. This is gonna end programmers for good. It's gonna just end programmers like that. You see, so it shows another example and everything. Look at that. This is scary. It's gonna take programmer job. Um, can can you write? Let me see. Can you write a resume for me? For me to get a software engineer or just a program, get a programming job. Just adds like stuff to help. Let's see. See, so it gives you all the details, what you need to focus on, what what you need to add to your resume. Look at this. And you know there's people out there that create your resume. Look, this is it's over. They tell you everything you need in details. And after that, I'm gonna say, can you um can you give me an example? So, what the heck happened? Uh, See, look at that. Is Look at that. Is given is the resume details: name, address, phone number, objective, education, skills, experience, job title, projects, the projects you did, your certifications, your reference. That's crazy. You see how crazy this is? That is crazy. I wish I had somebody in here so we can give like we can write another example. But we'll end it here, right? Um we'll end it here. What I'm trying to say, because there's programmers, that's trying to get their bread like me and other, they're gonna kill that. And it's crazy because I thought like programmers would be the ones that will have the jobs like over a lot of people like the working class, because so many industries are being destroyed by AI. And but if you could be able to control the AI, you could be able to be the programmer behind the AI, you'll be fine. But not necessarily now, because this chatbot is going to end all of that. So the advice I would give like to programmers out there, like, just continue on learning. Don't stop learning. Don't start the hustle, because there's still people out there that want that physical connection, having a teacher, having somebody teach them. And also just fun. It's just fun. It's like it's being a programmer is so good for problem solving, and then with anything, you want to be able to not rely solely on technology. Of course, there's good things with this particular technology, but don't fully rely on it. Do your best to be able to find solutions of the problem, because it just feels good when you can figure things out. Don't become a lazy thinker. And so I do think the chat GPT is awesome, but it's extremely dangerous because it's going to destroy jobs, and also it's going to make us very lazy thinkers. So I would just say, enjoy it, but do not become a lazy thinker relying on this. So I would say that. So we're going to end this. Just wanted to just do a quick discussion on it. Sorry for the delay when I'm trying to find the chat GPT. I'm just a little exhausted, but just wanted to chime in on that, and y'all could just check it out too. So make sure you follow me on Trade Digital 89. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and share it, because people could also use this tool for their benefits as well. So just showing you how where to go to get that. So, make sure you like and you subscribe to the channel. And I'm gonna be on Twitch too. So Trade Digital 33. I'm gonna be on Twitch. So instead of 89, it's 33. Please follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna be doing games. I'm gonna be playing Xbox, probably the old games. The old games of Xbox, a little Grand Theft. Um, I'm gonna be in the metaverse and things of that nature. Might play Madden. Anybody want to get it? So make sure. And I also do the same thing here that I do on Twitch. So please follow, like and subscribe, and also follow my other podcast that I have with my cousin called On the Dotted Line Podcast. It's lit. We talk about everything. So make sure you follow that. But that's it for this episode. I'm gonna be streaming every day at 1 a.m. Eastern time. And people in Cali, people in the UK, time is different, but 1 a.m. Eastern time every day. My name is Deshaun Lyons. This is Trade Digital. Peace out. Peace.